You've been there. You get excited about trading, open a demo account, and 5 minutes later, you're staring at a chart with no clue what to do. You try a few trades, lose money, and close the app. You don't need more indicators or complicated tools. You need a system, one that runs without second guessing, one that doesn't sleep, doesn't hesitate, and doesn't depend on your screen time. If you're busy, new, or just want results, you don't have time to study charts, chase trades, or wonder if your strategy even works. That's why we built Galileo FX. Galileo FX is like a magic shortcut, a single tool that lets you pick a strategy and runs it on autopilot. Each strategy is built on actual market behavior, filtered by professionals, ready to run for you. Take Josh. He's preparing for a family trip to Tokyo and double-checking passports for the kids. Right now, a bit of money he's okay risking is just sitting idle. He's ready to try something a little bolder without turning his free time into a second job. Then he finds Galileo FX. It offers over 300 strategies, some conservative, like trend following, others aggressive, like scalping, each with clear risk levels. He's the kind of guy who thinks Bluetooth is a dental problem, so he goes for the install service, watches the team set it up, asks a few questions, and by the time he finishes his coffee, it's ready to go. Josh picks a low-risk trend strategy, loads it, and lets Galileo FX run it. A few hours later, as he settles into a movie 30,000 feet above the Pacific, Galileo FX runs on his computer back home. Minutes after landing, Josh checks Galileo FX. 3 trades, 1 loss, 2 wins, $200 profit, all done while he was in the air. As it turns out, Josh didn't need to become a trading expert. Instead of guessing, he just picked a proven strategy and let Galileo FX do the work. That $210 went fast. Bullet train tickets, ramen bowls, and one unforgettable family night. And now Josh uses Galileo FX to bring in extra income, whether he's asleep, lost in luggage lines, or planning the next story in their family album. Galileo FX means you can stop worrying about when to trade, what strategy to use, or how to make it work, and get on with enjoying life. You have better things to do than stare at charts. You can download Galileo FX at galileofx.com.